Good morning. I'm off to an early start, at least for me it's an early start. It's 8:25 in the morning and I'm heading for Furkapass first, if I don't have it the wrong way. So yeah, final 3 passes of Switzerland before I head home. So yeah, so far it's a beautiful day. So let's hope it continues like this. Right, off we go to the mountains. This morning before the sun was out, it's actually not out quite yet, so it was a bit chilly, so I'm actually wearing an extra layer today. But I'm pretty sure that will come off soon. But anyway, let's start the ride. We are already climbing. Heading up Furkapass. On a beautiful morning. Yay! Woo! Look at that view. It's awesome. Yeah, this is super nice. Giftige slangen. Oh shit. Let's not crawl in the grass then. Oh, look at that. Perfect. That's our picture spot. Alright, that was the Furkapass. Now we're going down and straight up Grimsel. Yeah, that will be cool. And look at the view. Woo-hoo. Switzerland delivers again. This is nice. Okay, we have to stop here as well. So we can see the pass going down and Grimsel, I think, going up. Cool. This is the perfect ending for the trip, I think, these 3 passes. Super awesome. Here is the famous hotel, I guess. We'll need to make another stop then. heading up Grimselpass. And over there is Furkapass that we just came down. Okay, we made it to Grimselpass. The sign came a bit fast, so no picture by the sign. So maybe here. Top of Grimselpass. So, going on down here, and then our next pass, the Sustenpass. We are on our way up to Sustenpass. Not sure if I got the camera on in time, but yeah, so there was a helicopter just landing there. Oh, look at that. What a great way to end the trip in the Alps. Today has been just awesome. Sustenpass. We're here. The final pass today. Nice. Today has definitely been one of the highlights. Perfect ending. Yeah. Right, so we are almost down the pass, and that marks the end of the tour of the Alps on the Experia. It's been a joy to ride, really. So and super lucky with the weather. A bit warm a few days, but I shouldn't complain, I guess. We are on our way home. The goal is to cross the border to Germany today, and then probably camp right across the border. And then tomorrow we start the ride across Germany on probably on the Autobahn. So yeah, that is the plan. Alright, so while I'm sitting here doing nothing but waiting for the weather, I figured I'd sum up the last few days. I haven't really filmed anything because it would just be the same as going down but in reverse. So yeah, pretty much following the highway up Germany and Denmark. And yeah, so now I'm 80 kilometers away from my destination for today, and I run into a thunderstorm for the third day in a row. So every day since I started riding up Germany, I run into a thunderstorm in the evening. So yeah, so the first day after the passes in Switzerland, I just rode across the border to Germany. I found a camp there, and then late in the evening we were hit by a thunderstorm. And yeah, it was showers all through the night and in the morning, so I got to pack my wet tent and start riding the day after. But luckily, once I started riding, it cleared up, so yeah, wasn't too bad. Then in the evening, at around 4 or 5, I rode into heavy rain, so I just stopped and found the nearest campsite. And then again that night were heavy thunder and lightning, and yeah, kept going for a while. And then it luckily again it cleared up in the morning, so we got to ride in nice weather until the evening, where again we rode into heavy rain and yeah, another thunderstorm, and yeah, about the same time actually, between 4 and 5. And again today in Denmark, it's now just over 4, and yeah, it's raining, and it's also been quite a bit of thunder and lightning. So I'm just waiting for it to clear a bit before I continue to my destination for today, which is a hotel in Hirtshals. So yeah, I've decided to do a hotel the last night, so a bit of luxury to end the trip. Tomorrow evening, taking the boat back to Bergen, and then the trip is over. But yeah, it's been awesome. A bit of rain on the way back doesn't really matter. Every day in the mountains was super nice, so yeah, very happy with the trip. And the bike has been doing great. And actually, that headlight arrow that's been showing all the way magically disappeared to some time today. So now everything is seemingly back to normal. Yeah, that was a bit of an update. Now I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the rain to stop, hopefully. If it doesn't, I'll just have to ride on and see. But yeah, all in all, very nice trip. So yeah, see you later.